This song is small, but it's from me to someone as kind can be. I sing it loud, I sing it true, my special song just for you. When I wake up and start my day, you're always there to help me play. You pack my snack and brush my hair and show me love with so much care. Mommy, Mommy, I love you so, more than all the winds that blow. You make me smile, you make me brave, you give me love in every way. You read me books, you make me laugh, you give me bubble baths and crafts. You hold my hand when skies are gray and brighten up my every day. Mommy, Mommy, I love you so, more than all the stars that glow. You sing me songs, you kiss my cheek, you're the sunshine that I see. I drew a heart, I made a card, I tried to write, it wasn't hard. It only needed 3 sweet things, a hug, a kiss, and this I sing. So here I stand, with love so true, and whisper softly, I love you. This day is yours, I hope you see.